Another video from Fast Tech. In this one, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Xbox One Elite style analog sticks on a regular PS4 controller. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that today. All the parts and tools that you need for this job are going to be in the description box, so do check us out at fasttechstore.com, and you can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. Let's get started. I got the kit right here that you're going to need. We sell this on our website. Link's going to be in the description box. It includes the Xbox One style analog pieces and the screwdriver and the screwdrivers that you're going to need for this job. Different sized ones, and you can attach them just like you would with an Xbox One Elite controller, and they come off, and you can install this on any PS4 controller. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this today. And again, the link's going to be in the description box for these if you want to buy it from our website. These are super high quality, and we're very proud to offer you this product at a very reasonable price. You certainly don't have to pay the $250 you would for an Xbox One Elite controller, and minus the paddle shifters. That's the only draw for me personally, would be the analog sticks, because I really like those. So I'm going to be putting these in my own personal controller. This is not a customer's controller. This is my own controller. So I'm going to be putting these in. Right now it has the standard Xbox One style analog sticks. I made a video earlier showing you guys how to do this. So if you're interested in putting regular Xbox One analog sticks, check my other video. And it's going to be on my channel. So if you guys want to check that out, but let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to need is the Phillips screwdriver included in the kit. It's a cross-headed screwdriver. We're going to flip the controller over. There's going to be 4 screws that we're going to remove. I'm going to use a screwdriver from my Fast Tech toolkit. We sell this on our website, and the link's going to be in the description box for this as well. This toolkit can pretty much tackle any electronics job that you may have, from a MacBook to an iPhone to a PlayStation to a PS4 controller, anything that you could think of. It has the bits and pieces that you may need. So check us out at fasttechstore.com. Also, link's going to be in the description box. So I'm going to use the Phillips from our kit, from our toolkit, instead of the one in the kit, because it's just a lot higher quality, a lot easier to work with. And then we're gonna separate the back piece of the case of the controller from the front. And we're gonna start separating it at the front. Okay, we're gonna do the 2 sides at the front here. You wanna do this slowly because you don't want the triggers to come out at the back. These are gonna be a pain in the butt to put in. Like that. Slowly get that out. All right, now we're going to separate this piece slowly because there's a cable in the middle that runs from the back plate and the charging port to the logic board of the controller. So we're going to be very slow, carefully pull that out, and the battery's falling out, but that's fine. We're going to pull this cable very slowly. I'm going to pull this cable out. Now we can separate the back plate. I did it perfectly. The triggers didn't come out. That's how you want to do it too if you want to save yourself time. So we're gonna put this piece to the side. And now we're gonna remove the battery. If you guys have any charging issues, it's most likely due to this battery. We sell this on our website too. I'm gonna put the battery on the side. There's gonna be another Phillips screwdriver in here that we're gonna have to remove. Now that screws out of the way. Now, we're gonna get the battery holster out of the way. There's a cable that runs from the logic board to the front. This is for the trackpad. You're gonna lift the connector up here. Some of these models might not have a connector, some of them pull out, but you got to watch out for the connector. Some of them have a connector. This one does. We're going to pull this cable out. We're going to push these two analog sticks, and then the logic board is going to pop out like that. All right, now we have access to the analog sticks. We're going to remove the old analog sticks by pulling up, and they're just going to come off. And now we're going to install the base pieces of our new analog sticks onto our controller. All right, so we're gonna line it up, install the base, and push it down. You want to make sure you push it down. Same thing with the other one. Like that. Push it down all the way. Put the logic board back where it was, but before you do that, make sure you get this cable out of the way. When I get this cable out of the way, push the logic board back in, reconnect the cable, all the way up to the line, to the white line, and then push the clip in. We're going to install the silver, but not always silver, sometimes black Phillips screw back into the logic board. I'm going to put the battery holster back on. We install the battery. Route the cable under this plastic piece here where it's supposed to be. Then we're going to reinstall this piece here, which is the ribbon cable for the charging port and the backlight. The metal part of the cable faces the battery, remember that. That way you guys don't put it in wrong. All right, we're gonna reinstall the cable, and then the side with the triggers, that goes on first. You wanna get the triggers in and out all the way, or as best as you can. Flip the controller over, and then push these long pieces of plastic in. This is where the screws go in. We're just gonna push these in, and just kind of like get it all back in place, push it in. Make sure everything clicks in nicely, and then reinstall the screws. All right, now we can attach whatever analog stick we want. So I'm gonna take these long ones, and then, well, I'm gonna try the short ones first. So just stick them on. It's exactly like the Xbox One Elite analog sticks, and boy, do these feel a lot better. And because the base is metal, the analog sticks feel like they have a lot more weight to them. The movement feels a lot more heavy and purposeful. I'm gonna try the tall ones. Those are my favorite. Damn. Yeah, that feels good. I prefer the left one to be longer, the right one to be shorter. Actually, no, the other way around, sorry. Because this is the one I'd aim with. And yeah, that looks and feels awesome, guys. This is definitely worth the money that we're selling these for, compared to what you have to pay for these analog sticks on an actual Xbox One Elite controller. That's like $250, $300. I think the old series one is $200 on the internet now, but the new ones are still $250, $300. And this is a great replacement for that. I'm going to be showing you guys how to put these on a SCUF controller later on, make the ultimate controller. Once you put these on a SCUF controller, it's ultimate controller. But yeah, this feels really good. I can't wait to start gaming on this. I'm gonna get on Call of Duty and play Doom Eternal. But yeah, that's another video from Fast Tech. Don't forget to check us out if you need anything, any parts, tools, or this kit that we sell on our website at fasttechstore.com and fasttech.ca. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like the video if you liked it, if it helped you out, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like the video if you liked it, and stay tuned for more content.
Hello everyone, welcome to Fast Tech. Today we have a video that is not technology related, but it is definitely affecting everyone. We're going to talk about some face masks. So today, let's say most of you, when you order face masks, this is how they come. A pack of 50, a pack of 10, pack of 20, you get something like this. We as Fast Tech had with these, when we would distribute these masks to our employees or anyone, you know, family, friends, or anyone, when we would give a mask to someone, you don't know if it's been contaminated. You don't know if someone's worn it, someone's dragged it on the floor, whatever the case may be. So what we did is we ordered something like this. It is one mask in one airtight packaging. Now we all know Corona only lasts 3 days on a surface. And this is our fight against Corona. We ordered masks that were one mask in a label. So whenever, you know, a friend, family, your child, your coworker, whoever asks for a mask, you give them this. That means you appreciate them. You give them a brand new mask. No one's ever touched it. They've been packaged in a separate facility. No human interaction. Thank you, everyone. Please share, subscribe, and follow us. Thank you for supporting Fast Tech.